Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening. Depends on time that you watch this video. Today, welcome first to my channel, J people. Maybe it's for your first time to get in my channel. You'll subscribe, like, comment, and share. So today's blog, here at Kebri, my village, Kenya, East Africa. It is morning hours. As you can see, the sun has alive. You see, it's a morning hour. You can see as in our village we have already wake up. Already it is 8:08 African time. Is African time in Kenya. So this is my cow, my small cow. You see, yeah, this is my small cow. You just bear with me because my voice is not somehow good, not somehow pleasing. So you just bear with me, please, guys. It give me hard time at night. I didn't sleep, so bear with me. You see, I'll try to show you that is the sun has already lies. That one there, it affects my life of mine. You see, guys. So these are the stones that we use to build our house. For example, we have my house here. I started, that's due to money. I just ended there, but I may say the bad luck, it corrupts. Let me show you the way it corrupts down, but inside. Let me show you. Yeah, you see. Let me stand this way so I can show you clearly. Yeah, you see the way it corrupts. Starting from here, you see, we cut this maple. This one we cut it, and this one it was coming out to this way. You see, my people, this collapse. See, the bricks are here. That's the bricks that we are using here in Africa. You see, not only that, we have another one here that collapsed on the same day. You see, it collapsed, but we thank God nobody get injured or nobody died through this way. You see, we have another bricks here. There are many. You see, it's a morning hour, so you just bear with me. I will not even wash my face.